Hello and welcome to Chew the Fat. I am your host, Crystal Birmingham, and today we're going to be talking about the rapid onset and rise of childhood obesity, its tie to mental health, and I will give you some tips on what you can do about it. First of all, isn't it frightening that the CDC and the WHO are predicting that this is a first generation that will not outlive their parents? And the sad thing is, obesity is preventable. A little over 20% of 12 to 19-year-olds are considered obese. We can do so much better for our children. As the wealthiest nation, we should be the healthiest nation. Parents, I want to take you out of your normal obesity box of diet and exercise and introduce you to something you might not have ever thought of. We all know that teenagers have a reputation of being moody, right? What if I told you it's because of their eating habits? Think about it. Our teens love anything that is a ball of flour, sugar, or salt. Doritos, popcorn, Little Debbie's. If given the chance, they'll have a steady diet of pizza and soda to wash it down. And if you eat junk, you feel like junk. Why is that? Well, it's because of a little-known neurotransmitter called serotonin. Serotonin sends signals between your nerve cells. It's found mostly in the digestive system. Who would have ever thought that 92% of your neurotransmitters that are responsible for depression and mental health are in your gut? Imagine that. There are neurotransmitters in your gut tract. There are more neurotransmitters in your gut tract than in your brain. There are more neurotransmitters in your gut tract than in the total volume of a cat's brain. Ha! That sounds illogical, doesn't it? Well, here's a quick explanation. The brain and gut tract are derived from the same tissue when the embryo is developed, and is also innervated by the same nerve called the vagus nerve. The brain and gut are deeply connected. Serotonin is made from the essential amino acid tryptophan. This amino acid must enter your body through your diet, and it's commonly found in foods like nuts, cheese, red meat. Tryptophan deficiency can lead to lower serotonin levels. This can result in mood disorders such as anxiety or depression. Serotonin impacts every part of your body, from your emotions to your motor skills. Serotonin is considered a natural mood stabilizer. It is the chemical that helps with sleeping, eating, and digesting. From TV shows like Biggest Loser and fitness challenges like the Spartan Race, most of us are pretty aware what a healthy body image looks like and what it takes to get there. But I wanted to throw in another component that might just get you off the bench and get you into the field and fight to balance not only your child's physical health, but show you there's an imperative link in their mental health. Eating healthy, nutritious meals that include green leafy vegetables, low-sugar fruits like apples and grapefruit, and watching your portions can yield incredible life-changing benefits. Follow me on my Pinterest and Twitter pages at Health for Kids. Check out my meal recommendations of delicious and nutritious foods that bathe your body and brain with all the yummies. Thanks for listening. Start today and make a change.